What's going on, my fellow gorillas? It's your boy Mayor. I just want to show you really quickly how you can use Leads Gorilla to find businesses who need more reviews. What I like to do is first type in the niche I'm going after, a location, and the radius, and hit search. Once that's done, I'll go ahead and show you the next steps on what I do to create the audit and what I say in that audit when I speak to business owners, and the reputation tool I use, which you can use also. Once Leads Gorilla finishes scraping Google for the different leads, we'll go ahead and look at the different filters to see if they're a viable option when we want to add leads to our different campaigns. One of the things I like to check off is ratings of 4.4 or less. We can see that the results actually drop down from 20 to 6, which isn't too bad if we're going to be scraping for a while. I like to just eyeball different businesses here, like electrician in Los Angeles. That might be a good one. However, these other ones aren't the greatest. Master electrician Culver City is probably the best bet, so we'll save that lead. However, I'll just go ahead and uncheck that because I do like to go after businesses that do have higher ratings as well. So we'll go ahead and select leads, select all first, and then add selected leads to my folder. And we'll add those there. The next step is going over to the reports section, clicking on GMB reports, finding your campaign that you created, selecting that campaign, and then finding a GMB listing that you want to generate that report for. So for example, we'll just go ahead and click generate on the very first one. I don't like to check all of them. I like to just check a few of them. Mobile friendly, social report, analytics pixel, webmaster tools, Yelp report, SERP snippet, and SSL certification. And then I'll go ahead and generate that report. All right, now that the report is generated, what I like to do is just skim through the report and look at some critical areas that need to be addressed when you speak to the business owner. One, their email, that's okay, whatever. You can always cold call them or use another scraping tool to find their email. Important Google ranking factors. So this section is really the most important part of what you should be discussing over the phone or via email. And that's really the number of reviews and their low ratings of a 4.1. You can also talk about the different topics or issues that they have, such as no GMB photos, their Google My Business is claimed or unclaimed, what clients are saying. So what you want to do is hone in on these bad reviews, like Lois Adams left a 3-star review, while these other customers left a 5-star review, which is great. However, when we scroll further down and look at the business top 5 competitors, we see that BKLA licensed electrician has a rating of 4.7, Powell Electric has a 4.6, and Crockett Electric has a 5-star rating. So these are pain points that you can talk to the business owner over the phone and say, hey, these competitors are actually going to be the ones that customers call first because of their ratings. And I can help you with your reviews and get you more authentic reviews from your customers. And so that's how I usually like to position myself. And if you'd like to learn about the software I use, which you can white label, click the link below and use partner code 2021, and it'll give you the first 30 days for free. Thank you.